Hi children, plane mirror rotation. When a plane mirror is rotated by an angle theta, when a plane mirror is rotated by an angle theta, the reflected light gets rotated by an angle of 2 theta. Reflecting light getting rotated by an angle 2 theta. See now. The incident ray is drawn now. I am going to draw an incident ray. First of all, let me draw the plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. The position of the plane mirror, it is kept horizontal. M. This is a plane mirror. A ray of light is incident like this. Ray of light is incident. This is an incident light ray. The ray is now reflected like this. So if you draw a normal here, the normal makes an angle of how much? 90 degrees with the surface of the mirror. This is called angle of incidence. Right. This is called angle of reflection. Angle of reflection is equals to angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Right. Fine. Then angle of deviation is given by, the deviation is, the ray is now would have traveled in this direction. The ray would have traveled in the direction of incident light ray in the absence of this mirror, but the ray is interrupted by this plane mirror. Therefore, most of the light is now reflected. So this could be the reflecting light ray. This is the reflecting light ray. This is an incident light ray. Incident ray. Incident ray is now taken as P, that is Q. QR is the reflecting ray. This would be the initial direction of the incident light ray. Fine. Angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection. Now the deviation produced, let us calculate the deviation that is produced. That is, reflected ray makes how much angle with the initial direction of the incident light ray. This could be the deviation. The deviation of the ray is given by how much? D1. That is called D1. It is D1 or D. The deviation is taken as what? T. How much deviation we have? What is the deviation? Can anyone tell me please? This is I. This is also I because angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection. This is 2I. The total angle will be equals to what? 180 degrees. This is 2I. Hence it must be equals to 180 minus 2I. 180 minus of what? 2I. Right. Or glancing angle. In terms of glancing angle also we can say. This is called glancing angle. Glancing angle is angle made by the incident ray with the surface of the mirror. So if this is theta, this could be how much? Theta. This is how much? Theta. And as angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, the glancing angles on either of the sides must be same. That is, incident ray makes an angle of theta with the plane of the glass, and reflecting ray also must make an angle of what? This must also be equals to what? Theta. Therefore, when these two are equal, then this theta plus theta will be equals to how much? Please tell me. Theta. Vertically opposite angles also must be same. If this is theta, this could be theta. So this is theta. Angle RQM is theta. Angle RQM is equals to what? Theta. And MQT is also theta. Is also theta. Therefore, angle RQT is equals to how much? RQT, angle RQT should also be equals to how much? Theta, 2 theta. It must be theta plus theta. This plus this. So that is RQM, angle RQM plus what? MQT. MQT. So theta plus theta must be equals to how much? 2 theta. This must be equals to what? 2 theta. This is equation number 1. Or we can write this deviation can also be written as R deviation. The RQT is equals to RQT is equals to this RQT is equals to PQT minus PQR. That must be equals to what? What is PQT angle? PQT 180 degrees. This must be 180 degrees. Minus what? PQR. What is PQR? I plus I. That is 2I. R2R. We can write that. So either this way or you can write in terms of glancing angle, or we can write one that is in terms of angle of incidence or angle of reflection. This is okay. Till now it is okay. This incident ray, this would be the initial direction of the incident light ray, and as soon as it is incident on the plane mirror, most of the light is reflected in the direction from Q to R. So that means it suffers a deviation. The amount of deviation that is produced must be equals to how much? D. D is given by how much? The total angle is 180 degrees. Minus of what? I plus I is 2I. 180 minus 2I is equals to what? Angle of deviation. This is the angle of deviation. So the deviation suffered by the ray. In terms of glancing angle also we can express this value. If angle that is Q, this angle is theta, this angle will also be equals to theta. But these two vertical angles will be same. Theta is theta. So the angle MQT should be equals to what? Angle PQ, that is M prime. Hence these two angles must be same. Therefore angle TQR is equals to how much? Theta plus theta. So angle of deviation can also be taken as no. D must be equals to, D is equals to either what? 2 theta, or angle of deviation D must be equals to what? That is 180 minus of 2I, or 180 minus 2R. We can also say that is 2R because I is equals to R. Okay. Now the mirror is rotated by an angle of theta. The mirror rotates, is rotated now like this. You see, this is the mirror rotated like this. This is rotated. Earlier it was like this. Now it is rotated like this, without changing the original direction of the incident light ray. So without changing the original direction of the incident light ray, it has changed now. So now it is now changed. So from M1 to what? M1 prime. So what is the angle through which it is rotated? Tell me, what is the angle? Let us call it as what? Say alpha. The angle through which it is rotated is what? Alpha. The mirror is rotated is by an angle of what? If the mirror is rotated by an angle alpha. If the mirror is rotated by an angle alpha, so what is the total glancing angle now? Theta plus alpha. The new glancing angle is equals to how much? Please tell me. Theta plus alpha. Theta plus alpha. So if the initial direction of the incident light ray is not changed, so definitely, so the direction of the reflected ray changes. As it is now, the direction of the reflected ray is now changed like this. It is changed. It has shifted from R to what? R prime or R1. It is now changed from R to R1. Very good. Then can you tell me, when the glancing angle is theta, the angle of deviation is 2 theta, right? Now the the mirror is rotated by an angle of alpha. The glancing angle will be equals to how much? The new glancing angle is equal to what? Theta plus alpha. Then reflected ray gets rotated by an angle of how much, please? This angle we need. This is equals to what? X. This value is equals to what? X. So we need to find out the value of X. So for that, what shall we do now? Now the initial direction of the incident light ray is along Q to T, and this is the reflected ray direction. So we need now TQ T R1 prime. TQ R1, that is equals to how much, please? What is this value? What could be that value? What could be that value? And so what can be this value is equals to how much? 2 times of glancing angle. That is 2 times of glancing angle is what? Theta plus alpha. Theta plus alpha. Now what is the angle through which the reflected light ray is not rotated? That is RQ R1 is equals to what? Then RQ R1 is equals to how much? RQ R1. The angle through which the reflected ray is rotated. The angle through which the reflected light ray is rotated is X. What is that value of X? This total angle minus this angle. The total glancing angle is how much? 2 into what? Theta plus alpha. Minus of what? Earlier the glancing angle will be equals to how much? Earlier deviation is equals to how much? Earlier deviation will be equals to 2 theta. So this must be equals to 2 theta plus 2 alpha minus 2 theta. So this 2 theta cancel. Answer will be equals to what? Alpha. So if the mirror is rotated by an angle of alpha, the reflected light ray gets rotated by an angle of what? 2 theta. The reflected light ray is rotated by an angle 2 alpha. As the mirror is rotated by an angle alpha, the reflected light ray gets rotated by an angle of what? 2 alpha. The reflected light ray gets rotated by an angle of what? 2 alpha. This is one case. So now you are rotating the mirror. In case if you rotate the angle of incident, if you rotate the incident ray by an angle of alpha, then there won't be any change in the direction of what? The reflected light ray also changes, but the reflected light ray so also makes the same. If this is shifted by an angle of alpha, and the reflected ray will also be shifted by an angle of what? Alpha. There is no change in it. Okay, as usual. But only the change occurs when the mirror is rotated by an angle of alpha. The reflected ray gets rotated by the same, that is by an angle of 2 alpha. Right. Thank you.